guys, welcome to Palmer Joe 374, and today I'm going to be showing you that I got a new wall clock from CHKD. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you what it looks like, and the video that you just heard was it sounding. So yeah, so I don't know, I know you guys probably remember this clock right here. This is the first one I got, and then I got this one right here. So let me open it up. I'm gonna try not to. There we go. As you can hear it in there, there's the pendulum, and it has a coil chime. It does not have a rod chime like this one over there. The one over there has a rod chime. This one has coil right here. You can see that. Turn on the light, and it has a wind-up key. And this right here, if you wonder what this is to stop it. Oh crap. Alright, so as you can see, there's windows on the sides. As you can probably see the insides. There you go. Now you can see the insides. And how it works. So I think that's really interesting how some clocks have the windows. Has it on the other side too. It has 9 squares, like a 9 square design for the window for the pendulum. Then it has these are two separate. There's no like line dividing it. It's literally two separate windows. Like this is just a circle for this right here. Now, I like this because it doesn't really look like all clocks, because not all clocks have this type of face. They all have like Timmins Fugit, and it is a wind-up clock. I haven't seen a good wind-up clock in a long time, because there was a whole bunch of clocks that look very similar to this, but they weren't really wall clocks. But the bad thing, I looked on the back, it had a battery thing on it. It had a battery pack on it. So I was just like, this is battery powered, and it was made in China. This is horrible. My other clock, the rod chime clock, the Waham, it was made in China, but it's a really good quality one because it's a wind up. So, as you can see, you turn them separate ways to, wind it up. You just close this like this. Now, this has a different type of lock on it, or a different type of, I don't know what to call it. So you just kind of do that, and then it's closed. And on the top right here, it has this type of design. So yeah, I think this is a really cool clock to hang up. It's not big and it's not super small, so it won't take up a lot of space, which is a good thing. And as you heard in the video, it wasn't a loud chime at all. Like if you hear the mechanics moving, it's louder than the chime, so it ain't gonna wake you up if you have one of these. If you get one of these, it's probably not gonna wake you up. I tried to find it, but I couldn't really find it anywhere. I mean, if I did, I would have said so, but as you can see on the bottom, it has, it just like extends kind of down like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you, a video I took last night of it going off. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.